All right, guys, we had to pull over real quick because our brakes are on fire. Son of a bitch, man. Oh, excuse my language, but my fucking damn brakes are on fire. You guys see this? Smoke everywhere running down the side of this damn mountain. I almost hit the runaway ramp right there. My shit is toast. You know, and the problem is I'm running, they got me out here with no engine brake. It almost seemed like they could care less. But that tire needs to be changed. Look at this tire. This thing's ready to blow out. This tire's ready to go. Yeah. My airbags are, Yeah, I think I'm ready to go home. I'm not gonna be out here doing stuff like this at all. I've been complaining about this for weeks now. We need an engine brake. Let's get this fixed. Well, we can't find nowhere to get it fixed right now. There's no parts in stock. Okay, I understand. We're okay right now. We can keep going a little ways. We're not in the mountains. You know, we're being safe. We're trying to be anyways. But I should have known. Oh, I got to load to Arizona. I'm gonna be hitting some mountains at some point in time. Well, I started getting brake fade, and yeah, we're gonna stay put. We're not gonna deliver this load until tomorrow because of this, because I'm not gonna go ahead and put myself at risk or anybody else's life at risk behind any kind of money. Never gonna do it. So I'm gonna sit here and be still. I'll probably edit some video. You know, if I get a phone call from the broker, I'm probably gonna text the broker right now and let him know, hey, tomorrow, out ya.